both the buyer and seller meet and they exchange the goods for some value. Okay? Now there are four forms of market. First is the perfect competition, next is the monopoly, third is the monopolistic market, and fourth is the oligopoly. So perfect competition is a competition which actually doesn't exist in the economy. It's simply where there are large number of sellers and large number of buyers. The goods are homogeneous. Basically, they are same. Okay, there is no differentiation between the goods. The seller and the buyer have the perfect information, or we can say the perfect knowledge about the market. They know what the buyer wants and they know what the price is in the economy. You can take an example of, let's say, it's a sabji mandi, we can say a vegetable market, where we know all the seller will be selling at the same price, at the same, it will be depend on the seasons. In a particular season, they will have a particular vegetable only, and we know the price what is going on the market. Okay. Now here the independent decision has been made. That is, the firm will be the price taker. They will be deciding what will be the prices and all. And the demand curve is perfectly elastic. That is parallel to x-axis. Now let's go with the monopoly market. Monopoly market is nothing but the market where we have single seller and many buyers. Okay. In this, the seller has the power to control the price. He can make the price discrimination. If he wants his relative to give at the less price, he will sell that at a less price, and if he wants to give another person at a more price, he will give it at a more price. Okay. Here there is a restriction in the entry and the exit because that particular person has all the power about what form of the goods he is selling. He has all the knowledge about that particular goods. We can say examples. We can say like airplane industry is also an examples. Railway. Next is the monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition is the competition we are seeing at a large. Basically, it's the competition wherein there are large number of sellers, large number of buyers. There is a product discrimination. Basically, over here there is no price competition. Basically, the sellers will be modifying their price or their products accordingly. If a particular, let's say for example, like Maggi and Yippee. Okay, suppose Maggi is a product which is in a more demand, but now Yippee is making some innovation in its product so that its product can reach to a larger number of people. So this is the product differentiation. Okay, here the seller basically go on for selling cost. He will incur more amount of selling cost so that its product is become popular. Over here also the demand curve is nothing but the downward sloping demand curve. And over here we can say it's a kind of a more elastic demand curve wherein even a small increase in the price will lead to more increase in the, even a small increase in the price will lead to more decrease in the demand. Next comes the oligopoly market wherein we have few big sellers and large number of buyers. For this you can go with an example of OPEC company, that is the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, in which they have formed the cartel wherein if even one country does any changes in the prices, whole country will also do the same because they want to have the market in there. Over here the demand curve is a clean demand curve wherein at some point of time it's at some point of time it's less elastic, at some point of time it's more elastic. Over here there is no freedom of exit or entry. We can say it's a cutthroat competition. If anyone does anything, they will also do in a bad way also. Over here also you can see examples are telecom industry, oil industries, and